What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about how to convert ChatGPT text to human text. Humanizing AI-generated text involves infusing it with personality, natural language, and relatability to create a more engaging and authentic communication experience. By incorporating elements like humor, personal anecdotes, and understanding the audience, AI text can be transformed into content that resonates on a human level, bridging the gap between technology and emotion. Now, here are our tips on how you can humanize ChatGPT text. Personality and voice. Developing a distinct personality and voice is crucial for making AI-generated text sound more human. This involves crafting a consistent tone and style that reflects a unique persona, such as friendly, humorous, or empathetic. For example, a friendly voice might use contractions, rhetorical questions, and exclamations to engage the reader, while an authoritative voice would use more formal language and complex sentence structures. Experimenting with different personalities can help you find the tone that resonates best with your target audience. Natural language. Using natural language is another key aspect of humanizing AI text. Incorporating everyday expressions can make the content feel more relatable and conversational. For instance, instead of saying, "I am in agreement with your statement," you could say, "I hear you," or "You've got a point there." Avoiding overly formal or technical language and keeping the tone casual can help bridge the gap between AI and human communication. Formality and casualness. Striking the right balance between formality and casualness is essential for creating engaging human-like content. Knowing when to be professional and when to relax can help you match the audience's expectations and create a more natural flow to the text. For example, in a formal business setting, you might use more formal language and avoid contractions, while in a casual blog post, you could use more relaxed language and even incorporate some humor. Paying attention to the content and adjusting the tone accordingly can make the text feel more authentic and relatable. Real-life experiences. Drawing from real-life experiences and personal insights can make the content more relatable and engaging. Sharing anecdotes, examples, or stories that illustrate a point can help the reader connect with the text on a deeper level. For instance, you could share a personal experience that relates to the topic at hand or use a real-world example to illustrate a concept. Incorporating real-life experiences can help humanize the text and make it feel more authentic. Understanding your audience. Aligning the tone and style of the text with the target readers is crucial for creating content that resonates with them. Understanding the audience's preferences, expectations, and communication styles can help you tailor the text to their needs. For example, if you're writing for a younger audience, you might use more casual language and incorporate pop culture references, while for an older audience, you might use more formal language and focus on more traditional examples. Adapting the text to the audience can help make it feel more personal and engaging. By implementing these strategies, you can breathe life into AI-generated text and create content that truly connects with your audience. Embracing the human touch in your writing can make all the difference in captivating readers and leaving a lasting impression. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.